Welcome to DJI Zenmuse H20 tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to attach and activate the Zenmuse H20 camera. Align the white marking on the gimbal camera with the red one on the aircraft. Push up gently and rotate the gimbal camera counterclockwise till the two red markings are aligned. Double-check to ensure the gimbal camera is properly attached to the aircraft. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Ensure they are connected and the remote controller has normal access to the internet. A window will automatically pop up on the screen, indicating activation. Tap to activate the camera. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching.
Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.